Welcome back, guys, to a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys my new keyboard. Hold on, let me. Alright, I'm going to put it up here. Alright, so this is my new keyboard. I got it from Best Buy. It's a Hyperx. Here, this is actually a box to it right here. Alright, so this is the box to it. Alloy Core RGP. I think I'm saying that wrong, but yeah, it was a pretty good keyboard. I think it was like $49.99 plus tax. I'm gonna show y'all my old keyboard that I had. Just a standard office keyboard. It wasn't good like this one right here. I think this is only like 20 something bucks too. So it's really cheap. The material is cheaper. This one is a lot better. You can tell this one is longer too. Like, compare it. This one's longer, but this one's like, hold up, how can I say this? It's more taller, but this one is longer. Like, this one right here is longer, but you can see pretty much the same thing. I like this one. This is a Logitech. Everything is pretty much mapped. Like the keys, same thing. I like how the space bar isn't so long like this one. It's more shorter than this one right here. And this one doesn't feel as cheap as this one right here. Like, this one makes like a clicking noise. I wanted this. Well, I don't know. It's probably because the way I have it leaned up against the TV, but what the function keys, well, everything is like the same besides these gray keys up here. You could tell that this was like for more like a monitor, not a monitor, like a computer, because these, it just shows Hyperx, and then you got the colors. You can change the colors on them. I really like it. What does this do? I know this does something. I just have to figure it out. Okay, this, my brother told me if you like had a PC connected, you can turn it on. And the Xbox button, like when I press the home, the Xbox won't like go to the menu if I turn it off and then turn it on. Hold up. I don't know why it's not doing it right now. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing it right now, but put this old one back. But let me try now. Yeah, I don't know, but it's a little malfunction, but you guys get the whole idea. And yeah, I mean, it works good on my Xbox. Like, hold on, where's the mouse? Yeah, it works pretty good. I did not try to invite that guy. This is the mouse I'm using right now. It's a Logitech. I'm gonna get a better one. I seen this one. I was like, I think like $39 at Best Buy. This more lighter. This one is more heavier though. Like, I'm gonna go to, like, my brother has one right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, this is the one that my brother has. It's a Razer. It has it has buttons on the side, and this button on the top, I really don't know what it does, but the scroll wheel, I like how it has like that bumpy feeling to it, more grip. The bottom for the back right here has colors, like it changes different colors, and me and my brother have the same keyboard. But yeah, you guys get the whole idea. Like, his, it's letting me do it on his. I don't know why it wasn't letting me do it on mine. But I mean, when I press buttons, what is it? I don't know. I'm not gonna say it reacts. Like, I don't know. It's like fast. Like, when I press the button, it doesn't take a long time for it to actually happen. I'm gonna go back over to my setup. So yeah, guys, that's mainly it for today's video is night. It is dark outside, but I just wanted to show you guys compare. I'm gonna compare my old keyboard to my new keyboard. Let me move all this stuff out the way. Have some stuff over here. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and stand this up. The backs are different too. Like this back, the back of this is more like gray, and the back of this is more like black. I mean, like the back really doesn't matter. What is this, like rubber? I like that feeling. Okay, let me flip it back over. So this is the full compare of my old and my new keyboard. This one 100% better. This one I'm gonna be retiring. This one, you know, had a long run. I'm catching dubs with this one. I think this one still works though. Like if I press the button, I don't know why. Probably because I got another keyboard hooked up to it. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I think the item shop just changed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show the new item shop. My controller work. Where's my mouse? Alright, so what came out? Oh, I don't think Disco Fever was always in. Neither was Drop the Bass. Oh no, they brought Christina back out. Volley Girl. Slap Happy. That hasn't came out in a minute, but whenever you're using support a creator code, this is my friend supported creator. It's capital SLG. Whoa, I put way too many S's. It's capital SLG. Where's the little mouse? But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe down below, and I'll maybe get some gameplay next video on Monday, because my new schedule is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That's when I upload videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.